Hi sweeties, it's Elle, and today I'm going to show you how I redecorate my house. Last time we were building my bed, today we're resetting my entire living room. So let's take a look at the living room now. So this is our couch, our new couch. Thank you to Mabel for the new suggestion for the couch. Right now we have Strike on it on top of our Christmas blanket. Oh, he knows I'm filming. So we already set that up when they've delivered it. Amazon, we paid an extra $30 for them to deliver and assemble the couch, which was lovely for us. So now all we're gonna do is place the carpet, the new rug that we're gonna put on here. So 1 second here. To show you what I did. I saw this trick online that if you put ice and weigh down the edges of your carpet, the one that's rolling around, it will flatten over time as the ice melts and everything. So I just put a whole row of ice on this side because it's the most rolled up part of this rug. I was gonna do this side too, but not enough ice. Stop playing with the ice! Strike! Strike! Stop playing with the ice. Hey. Stop playing with the ice. Yep. But other than that, do you like our koi fish carpet? This is our koi fish rug. This is really pretty. I love that Eugene and I picked this. It looks good with the couch. Stop playing with the ice, you guys. We're licking it. I don't know what you guys are doing. Yeah, this is our living room so far until we replace that coffee table. A few hours later, the ice is mostly melted. It looks flat on the corners, but it's being a little raised on the middle part. But the corners look good. Stop licking the ice! So, I don't know how much of this ice hack has worked, but we'll see and try the other side. So, we'll see how that goes. Stop licking the ice! Later this night, yeah, it's still a little raised, the ends, but for the most part, the corners are pretty flat. That's good. The cats finally stopped licking the ice that I was using to flatten it. On the other side, I have the coffee table and the two storage bins holding the flat side of my rug. No ice this time. I'm just gonna see how it goes overnight, and yeah, let's see how everything lays out.
3 weeks later. 4 to 6 weeks later.
Couple updates on the coffee table. There's no legs anymore because the cats kept jumping on the coffee table, and the coffee table legs, give me 1 second, are put together by these little dowels on here. They all kept falling. So since these are only attached by these little wooden dowels, they kept falling off and the table kept falling off. So yeah, we don't have a coffee table with legs. So it looks very Japanese now, but it's already past the return window date for this one. And plus we spent so much time working on this coffee table. So to dismantle it all and return it, even if we could return it, is not possible. So there's that. Something else happened too in the last couple of months. Our bed broke because, again, the cats were jumping on the curved edge of our bed, and the screw that attaches to this and this broke in half. So basically, let's not order any more furniture from Amazon because everything keeps falling apart, especially when you have cats. So back to the drawing board when it comes to decorating our home.